Okay, today we are talking about air curtains. So here's what an air curtain looks like. It basically is a metal box that sits above a door or window and blows a curtain of air down to separate the exterior air from the interior air. There's a blower motor inside and usually some adjustable vanes on the bottom to fine-tune the directionality of the airflow. See the on and off switch on the bottom. Sometimes they're multi-speed. They range in price anywhere from $200 for the smaller units for a regular man door up to several $1,000s for like a roll-up door in a warehouse environment. You'll find these in restaurants, grocery stores, office buildings, etc. So again, here's a graphical representation. This unit is mounted to the wall inside the building, just above the entrance door. And there's usually a micro switch or some type of door switch. So as soon as a door opens, no matter what type of door it is, it'll turn the fan on. As soon as the door closes, it'll turn the fan off. Woo! And again, the purpose of these air curtains is provide a barrier between the outside air and inside air, keeping your HVAC inside and keeping bugs and dust and smells outside. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.